We will only love you if. Have you ever told your child what career they should follow, what their life should look like, and what success they should achieve? Because if you remove all the noise, what it really boils down to is you're saying something like this: we will only love you if you get those top grades. We will only love you if you get into Oxford and Cambridge. We will only love you if you become a doctor or a lawyer. We will only love you if you become a professional athlete. When you pressurize your child into taking your own preset path, this is what they hear: we will only love you if you achieve our goals. The message this sends your child is that there is no room for error, that they should be talented or they'll be deemed unworthy. And this leads to a pressure cooker filled with stress, anxiety, and the feeling of not being good enough. Now, I've seen this firsthand in dealing with pressure cooker parents over the years. Parents that call up the school demanding to take a negative behavior point off their child's record. These parents care more about labels, success, and long-term image over their child's actual learning. So what could you do differently to go from pressure cooker parent to positive influencer? Replace your pressure and judgments with love and support. Honestly, start praising your child's efforts over the end result that they achieve, and great things will happen. You'll be able to teach your child to embrace failure, love challenge, and accept any setbacks, because it's how we teach students to bounce back from failure that ultimately is a key factor in their success. How they go from failure to failure without the loss of courage or enthusiasm. Start changing your language from should to could, because when we use the word could, we're giving these young people options and we're helping them live their life on their terms. I'm not saying don't have goals, aims, aspirations, and ideals for your children, but let them fail. Let them make mistakes. Let them grow and live their life. Because as Carol Dweck says, no matter what your ability, effort is what turns that ability into accomplishment. Help your child to grow, to live their best life, and most importantly, never give up.